Hello dear subscribers, today I'll tell you how you can fix your problem with your Wi-Fi on your iPhone. So if Wi-Fi is not working on your iPhone, so how you can also fix it. So for fixing, first thing, just go to the settings, and in the settings you need to find Wi-Fi. So just open Wi-Fi, just try to turn it off and turn on again. So another thing you can try also to scroll down, just tap on the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And another option you can try to update your phone. So just go to the general, in the general just open software update, and if you see here available update, just tap on download and install and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your iPhone. And if you still have this error, so you can also just try to open Wi-Fi, just choose your network, just tap on your network and just choose forget this network. So after, just try to connect to your network again. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and goodbye.